Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Meta AI not showing up on WhatsApp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, make sure first that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Because having an outdated version could not give you one of the latest features, which is of course the Meta AI. So do a quick search of the WhatsApp application on the App Store. And I want you to make sure as well that you have the latest version of this application installed. If you do have an update available, just go ahead and tap on update so that you could have its latest version. Now I want you to also make sure to basically see this version history and see what specific features have been added to this application. You just need to note the version number of your app. Then you can actually also do a quick search of what version of WhatsApp has Meta AI. And basically from there, you will see that the version in which Meta AI was introduced. So in this case, if you do have the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger and you still don't have Meta AI located on your device, what I want you guys to proceed with doing is to just basically be aware that this feature won't be available in all countries. Meta AI or WhatsApp does only roll out this specific feature to selected countries that it sees viable of mostly using this feature. So, if your country is not eligible for that, or Meta AI chose not to distribute this feature to your country that is basically not eligible, then you will have to wait for it. So that's basically how you can fix Meta AI not showing up on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.